Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 11. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Deskullah and my friend
Rayhan Fadila Setianto.
Today we will present our project Configure FTP FileZilla and SSH Putty. What is FTP server? The File Transfer Protocol, or FTP, is a standard communication protocol used for the transfer of computer file from a server to a client on a computer network. FTP is built on client-server model architecture using separate control and data connection between the client and the server. FTP user might authenticate themselves with a clear text sign-in protocol, normally in the form of a username and password, but can connect anonymously if the server is configured to allow it. For secure transmission that protects the username and password and encryption the content, FTP is often secured with SSL or TLS FTPS, or replaced with SSH File Transfer Protocol or SFTP. Next is some example of application for FTP. The main application for using FTP is FileZilla and WinSCP in Windows. There is FileFTP and Transmit in macOS.
And next is SSH. What is SSH? SSH is an administration protocol that allows users to access and modify various settings and files on the server. If using SSH, you have the option to authenticate the remote user before connecting. In addition, SSH can also send input from the SSH client to the host or server, and then send the result back to the client user. And here are some sample application for SSH server. The most people using Putty in Windows because Putty is easy to use and have a simple interface, and there is SmartTTY, Mobile Experm, and Remote NG for the another SSH server client.
Now we will show you how to configure FTP in FileZilla. The first step is install FSFTPD to enable FTP in Ubuntu using sudo apt-get install vsftpd. Second, open FileZilla in client PC and enter host, username, and password from the server, then click Quick Connect. Type nano/etc/vsftpd.conf to edit the vsftpd directory. Next step is delete hashtag to enable write in vsftpd directory. Next, type sudo systemctl to restart vsftpd in Linux. Open FileZilla again and click Quick Connect to reconnect to the server. Click on the file you want to send to server PC and click Select Upload. Last is to send file from server PC to client PC. Click on the file you want to send and select Download.
And next is how to configure SSH Putty. First, we check in our Ubuntu SSH server is already installed or not. Type dpkg -l open SSH main server, and next, if SSH not already installed, we can install using sudo apt minget install OpenSSH in server. Sudo is for execute command for super user. And next, go to VirtualBox and go to network setting. Change the adapter to bridge adapter for connect the Ubuntu to Windows who remote the SSH. And next, set up an IP in Ubuntu. And if done, check the IP in if config. This an IP in Ubuntu. And next is set up IP in Windows network setting, and make the both IP in the same class. And next, test ping. If success, Ubuntu and Windows is already connected. Ping success is like this. Next, install PuTTY in the Windows for the remote Ubuntu. Open the PuTTY, then fill the hostname with the IP server of Ubuntu. And next, fill the port 22. 22 is a SSH port, and connection type is SSH. Then click open. And if success, the PuTTY change to login menu, and you can login with Ubuntu user. If done, we can remote the Ubuntu from the Windows like this with the CLE. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your attention.